Ever wondered if you could design your user interface visually like in a design tool, yet still generate clean, production-ready React code instantly? What if your design and development were one seamless workflow? Let's take a closer look at Tempo, the AI-powered visual editor that bridges design and code. Today we're exploring Tempo, which is a brilliant AI-first visual IDE for React, crafted to help PMs, designers, and developers collaborate effortlessly. Launched via YC's Summer 2023, it delivers Figma-like user interface with the power and precision of a real code editor. Tempo is optimized for modern stacks like Vite and Tailwind, enabling rapid user interface prototyping and production-quality app creation. But before we dive into the core features, let's see what real users are saying about it. Tempo is gaining traction in the design tech world, especially through Y Combinator's showcase. On Product Hunt, it has received a 4.5-star rating based on 19 reviews. Users praise it as a game changer for burning down development friction and retaining full control over production code. While still early, feedback highlights its innovation in low-code space with real developer-level reliability. So now let's discuss the core features of it one by one. With Tempo, you don't start from a blank screen. Instead, you simply describe what you want to build, like onboarding page for an X-Tag app in a minimal user interface, and Tempo instantly sets up the foundation. You can also pick from quick ideas such as travel, itinerary, planner app, user-generated content moderation dashboard, tag input for categories. From there, Tempo lets you choose your stack. Frameworks include Vite, Next.js, Expo, Auth. Database includes Supabase, Clerk, Convex, and payments include Stripe. This makes Tempo feel less like a static boilerplate generator and more like a smart project companion that adapts to your goals. Instead of wasting hours configuring environments or deciding which dependencies to install, you are immediately dropped into a ready-to-go project. And the best part is it's flexible. You can tweak your choices at any step, so your project can grow and evolve as your idea becomes more refined. Now let's move on to feature number 2. So feature 2 is Design PRD and Code. With this feature, you can go from idea to fully functional app in minutes. Start by generating a PRD, that is Product Requirements Documents, which outlines the flow and core features of your project. The AI then creates mermaid diagrams for user flows, followed by wireframes that bring the design to life visually. Once approved, it seamlessly generates production-ready code in VS Code. Integrating with tools like Supabase for backend and Figma for user interface. Every step, PRD, design, and code is automated yet editable, so you can tweak and customize as needed. This allows you to move from concept to working prototype faster than ever, without context switching between tools. Now let's move on to feature 3, that is Prompt-Based Assistant. Instead of manually building every component, the platform uses a prompt-based AI assistant to speed up development. Simply describe what you want, like create a booking summary page with cost calculation, and the assistant generates the required code, routes, and user interface elements instantly. It remembers project context, so each new prompt builds on previous outputs, keeping everything consistent. You can use prompts for database models, API routes, user interface components, or even design tokens. This turns complex workflows into simple instructions, making it possible to build advanced apps without deep technical knowledge. Whether you're a developer or non-technical founder, the assistant feels like a co-pilot that helps you ideate, design, and code in real time. So those were some of the core features. Now let's discuss who will benefit the most out of this tool. So Tempo is perfect for product managers and designers who want full control and fast iteration without jumping into code. Developers who need production create React user interface, since that can be visually drafted and easily maintained. Cross-functional teams collaborating on prototypes, front-end assets, or full web apps. Essentially anyone who needs the speed of a design tool with reliability of code wins with Tempo. So as no tool is perfect, there are few opportunities to make Tempo even stronger. Wider framework support beyond Vite and Tailwind, like extending to vanilla CSS or other frameworks. More state management tools, Redux, ZooStand, or MobX integrations could enhance scale projects. More published case studies or community examples to help beginners get started faster. It also offers an affiliate program with which you can earn more by simply promoting the product. And while Tempo provides deep code IDE integration, there's currently no external API. Everything happens within the visual editor itself. So in conclusion, Tempo redefines visual development for React. It's design forward, code clean, and AI powered, a rare combo that efficiency-minded teams will love. So if you want to give it a try, simply click on the link given in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.